Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the video autoplay in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app, and here in the application it usually opens up in the shopping menu, where we can browse and look at different kinds of clothing articles. We have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner there is a person icon, which you have to tap. And here in the overview section, as you can see, there is an app settings button. We tap on this, and then in the middle there is autoplay videos. If you tap on this button, then the autoplay is going to be turned on, thereby enabling the Zalando app to play the videos that are present in the browsing feature of the app. This way we don't have to tap on the videos to start them and look at them, look at the showcasing of different items, but the app is going to take care of this. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.